Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you again to Mean Man Cooks. In today's episode, we will be bringing to you tomato soup. Now let's see what the ingredients required are. The ingredients: 4 large ripe tomatoes, 1 small to medium potato, 1 medium-sized onion, pepper to taste, powdered pepper, salt to taste, butter, a tablespoon, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So let's start making the soup. Let's switch on the stove first and put the pan on it. It's getting heated. So let's add a tablespoon of butter. I've roughly chopped the vegetables. I'm adding the onions. Initially, I used to use all-purpose flour. Then I realized it's better to add a vegetable which has starch. So I've stopped using all-purpose flour. I use potatoes nowadays. This thickens the soup. Now let's add the tomato. Now a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add some salt. You can always add a little more later if you find it's not sufficient. The pepper powder can be added while serving. If you like it spicier, you could add a green chilli at this point of time. I'll be pouring about 3 cups of water. Now let's close the cooker and put the stopper. You could allow 5 to 6 whistles, no problem, because we want it to be cooked very well. Now I'm adding the potatoes. Formerly I was using all-purpose flour. Then I realized it's better to use a vegetable which is rich in starch. So I've started using potato instead of the flour. You just heard the first whistle. So let's wait for another 5 whistles at least. That was the last that you heard, 6th whistle. Now allow it to cool. Once the pressure is released, we'll open, allow it to cool completely, blend it in the mixie, strain and serve. The pressure has released. So let's open. Very well cooked. Now allow it to cool a little and then blend it well. Just add the vegetables first to the blender. Run your blender. After you puree it, then you add the liquid and mix them all well. So this is the tomato soup after blending and straining the peels of the tomato. Now let's just simmer the soup for a few minutes. We've not added any artificial color. If you like the color, you can serve it in this color. If you're particular about the raspberry red color, just add a few drops. This is fairly thick. For those who like it thicker, you can simmer it for a longer time. While serving, you can add the pepper powder and a few pieces of the bread croutons. It's boiling well and it has thickened also. Now we can put off the gas and it's ready to be served. You can happily have a bowl of soup with a slice of garlic toast and enjoy your soup. If you want to enrich it further, you could serve it along with some fresh cream too. You can click on meanman.com for the recipe. Thank you.